to the channel. Showing you kind of what I got, my new little venture I'm gonna do. So I got this off eBay. Everyone's seen them, but we got a new grill, mesh insert grill. Just one of those cheap eBay ones. Let's pull it out. Okay, here she is. Here's the hardware. So comes with all the little bolts and things you can do and to put it in, but there's instructions. Comes with all the stuff. But yeah, it's just kind of telling you to take off the grill, then you're gonna get an air grinder or air saw or whatever, and just cut it off. It's kind of hard to show you in the wind not blowing it. Here's the screws and the little caps you put on the end, so you can cover up the little, like, oh geez, almost lost it. So you can cover up these, which I will get it painted white so that it matches. So here's the caps. They go on, so all they do is screw them in. This little stud that goes in there, and you screw it into the thing. And they're all kind of curved different, so this one actually goes on this side, so it goes right there. So yeah, so then it goes in there and just holds on, and that's it. But we'll get those painted. And okay, before we lose everything, here's a stud right there it goes into. So, and then there's probably yeah, those little nuts right there go onto it. But I'll show you the grill now. Okay, here she is. So my idea is, let's take it inside. So here we go, we got it. Okay, so we got that. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna make this a smooth, nicer looking one. And I'll show you kind of what I'm trying to make it look like. I'm gonna insert something real quick like that, but instead of $800 to $1,000, it's gonna be less than 150 bucks, because this is $75 shipped. So what we'll do is take these bolts out, these fake rivet chrome looking things. They kind of just unscrew there. And it's metal, that's what it says, but see, so either I'm gonna weld it shut, the hole shut, if I can. Hopefully these are not just plastic, these are just plastic or whatever. But yeah, these are the holes that it mounts into. So it mounts into the plastic of the chrome, the grill. But I'm gonna take these out, make it all smooth. Either, let's see, JB weld it or whatever, just to make the holes closed. And after that, we will paint it gloss black and make it clean looking. But yeah, I just kind of really wanted to get rid of these chrome nut looking things, so it'll look pretty cool once it's done. We are done with the grill. Look at it. Oh baby, it is like exactly what I wanted. Oh, it looks so sick. It's got like 10 clear coats on it. Pretty sweet. So we're ready to cut this out. I got a jigsaw. So we're gonna cut it out. Just go, oh geez. I'm gonna cut it out and then cut it out like that. This will be a lot easier than that hacksaw I had. So let's get at it. So we got to cut her out. Now I'm going to match up the studs that go on the back of these little covers, and they just kind of cover up these. Kind of got to get them perfect, and you just got to drill them a little hole through the back or something to get them to go through here, because they go through there. So I got to cut a hole through there or something so they'll stick on. Got it on. Well, it's not all the way on. I'm just kind of showing you what I'm going through. So I got these on, and the nut was like an 8mm nut right there with a little stud. So right now I got the top one on, so that's on. So now we're gonna have to do all of them, which I'll turn it around. Okay, so there's that right there. So I just screwed it in and put that little plate right there, so it kind of holds it tight against there. Now I gotta do all of them. Screwing them in right there, which I'm gonna push it up a little bit so it sits the way I want it to do. So you got one, I don't know where the other one's, two, and then, you know, they're all along here, so you gotta screw them into the black part, and then we should be done. Which I'm gonna make sure you get some Loctite, because I don't trust that, and that's what I'm gonna put on there later, soon, hopefully. Just kind of showing you how it is and how we kind of made it. And I'm sorry, I'll just kind of put some clips in there and see how you can look at it and stuff. As you can tell, it looks glossy, it's dirty, kind of been driving with it. But so I'll put down the list. Next up I'll show you, it has what we did and what we used. It's called Duraglass. And that's what was used to make it. And there's a little bit of pictures of how we filled it in. And so Steve, what he did was he put the tape on this side, like the blue tape, painter's tape on this side, and then smooth in the Duraglass like putty on the other side, so it's flat on this side, so it's easier to shave, and then primered it and put like literally like 10 coats of clear, like crazy amount. So, but let me take it off and I'll show you, because I gotta put some Loctite on it. Blue Loctite. Just went to O'Reilly's real quick. It was like $2 or less than that, but we'll put some in there. Make sure she stays, because literally the problem I have is, I'll show you, is literally before I got it set, it must be like squished together good enough, but it was literally like barely even like poking out. It was like that much, like 2 threads were poking through. But blue Loctite for sure, because I didn't want to lose it. I got everything Loctited on. Yeah, you got to get them perfect in order for you to get enough threads on them. This side I did really good. This side not so much. Either the stud was not as long as the other side. So you can kind of see a little bit right there, and over here. But I mean, really, it's not too bad, and it's not really what I was worried about anyways, because it's the backside, no one's gonna see it. So other than that, it looks amazing. So Steve did an awesome job. But yeah, you just gotta screw these in right there like I showed you, and she looked out to come out amazing.